Monsoon forecast, heavy rains and strong winds expected across Thailand, the 12th of September, 2024. Daily weather forecast, the 12th of September, 2024. The monsoon trough currently stretches across the upper north and northeast of Thailand, extending into a low-pressure system over upper Vietnam and Tonkin Bay. A moderate southwest monsoon is also affecting the Andaman Sea, Thailand, and the Gulf of Thailand. Isolated heavy rainfall is expected in the north, northeast, and east, with residents in these areas advised to be cautious of heavy rains that could lead to flash floods and overflow, especially near foothills, waterways, and low-lying regions. In the Andaman Sea and the Gulf, moderate winds and waves are forecasted, with wave heights between 1 to 2 meters and over 2 meters during thunderstorms. All vessels are urged to navigate carefully and avoid areas with thunderstorms. From 14 to 17 September 2024, the monsoon trough is predicted to shift southward across the north, upper central, and northeast. During this period, the southwest monsoon over the upper Andaman Sea, Thailand, and the upper Gulf will intensify. As a result, widespread rain, along with isolated heavy to very heavy rain, is expected across the country. Wind and wave activity will also increase, with waves reaching 2 to 3 meters in height in the Andaman Sea and upper Gulf, and over 3 meters in storm conditions, while waves in the lower Gulf are forecast to exceed 2 meters. Regional forecasts. Northern Thailand, the 12th of September, 2024. Thundershowers and isolated heavy rain are expected in areas including Mae Hong Son, Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, Lamphun, Lampang, Phrae, Uttaradit, Tak, Kampong Phet, Phishit, Phitsanulok, and Phetchabun. Temperatures will range from 23 to 24 degrees Celsius, minimum, to 29 to 35 degrees Celsius, maximum, with southwesterly winds at 10 to 15 kilometers per hour. Northeastern Thailand, the 12th of September, 2024. Scattered thundershowers and isolated heavy rains are expected in Nakhon Sawan, Uthai Thani, Chai Nat, Phra Nakhon Sai Ayutthaya, Lopburi, Saraburi, Kanchanaburi, and Ratchaburi. Temperatures will range between 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, minimum, and 34 to 35 degrees Celsius, maximum, with southwesterly winds at 10 to 20 kilometers per hour. Eastern Thailand, the 12th of September, 2024. Scattered thundershowers and isolated heavy rainfall are expected in Nakhon Nayok, Prachinburi, Sakeo, Rayong, Chanthaburi, and Trat. Minimum temperatures will range from 25 to 27 degrees Celsius, with maximum temperatures between 33 to 35 degrees Celsius. Winds will blow southwesterly at 15 to 35 kilometers per hour, and wave heights are expected to be 1 to 2 meters, rising above 2 meters in thunderstorms. Southern Thailand, East Coast. Scattered thundershowers, mainly affecting Phetchaburi, Prachuapkiri Khan, Chumphun, Surat Thani, and Nakhon Sai Thammarat. Minimum temperatures are expected between 24 to 27 degrees Celsius, and maximum temperatures between 32 to 35 degrees Celsius. Southwesterly winds will reach speeds of 15 to 35 kilometers per hour, with wave heights between 1 to 2 meters, increasing to over 2 meters during thunderstorms. Southern Thailand, West Coast. Scattered thundershowers are expected, particularly in Ranong, Phang Ngo, and Phuket. Minimum temperatures will be between 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, with maximum temperatures ranging from 32 to 34 degrees Celsius. Southwesterly winds will reach speeds of 15 to 35 kilometers per hour, with waves expected to be 1 to 2 meters high, and exceeding 2 meters in thunderstorms. Thank you for tuning in. For the latest weather updates, don't forget to like and subscribe. Wishing you a wonderful day ahead.